is the template that we cut on the fold. And the hard thing about this is just getting it started. And what I like to do is you can either thread a hand-sewn needle to put on the end to feed it through, or I like to just take a pin, and what you need it to do is to coil around this little twist in the front of the foot and feed it through so that it gets at least to the needle, okay? It should not be flat underneath the foot. So it is turning in the foot, but it's not flat here. If fabric gets underneath here, it's just gonna stitch down. This is supposed to turn it and create a hem, okay? So once I'm in here, and the stiffer the muslin, the better. And I'm gonna be on number 3 stitch. And what you wanna do is you need to control the width of the fabric that's going into the front of the foot. Okay, so I like to just kind of fold mine down. If you go too wide, it'll do this. So it'll turn it and you'll have a little lip there that we don't want. If you go too skinny, it will just do this and it won't turn, okay? So you really wanna make sure that you can control the width that's going in there so you can see where it's turning. And I kind of keep mine at an angle. Just want to make sure it started. Yeah, okay, so it's turning. Take your time. You can see that I don't have fabric underneath the foot. You don't need to back tap. So you can see here that it's turning and stitching. I don't know why I cut this long piece. Okay, so see how it's, I'm glad it did that. See how it's going back the other way? Now it's kind of messed up. So I want to stop before it goes too far. Fix it. So even if you get off track, you can kind of fix it or just keep stitching until it gets back on track. I'm gonna try to end it. Yeah, I'm gonna just, so it went back on track. So I'm gonna have a little wonky part in there, I already know. And it's doing it again. Okay, so I'm gonna stop. You don't need to back tack, just keep stitching off. And then let's look at it. So here it got a little wonky. Here you can see it turned and stitched. So it should just turn and do your fold. And it got a little wonky here and it flipped back on itself, okay? All right, and then just clip your threads and press it. So that's the one that should be machine rolled hem with the machine. The other one, we turn it twice, so that's why I put by hand, okay? And that one's up there 3 times, so.
Yeah, oh yeah.
Okay. I'm glad you caught it though.